Now, the fortunate thing in the industry we're in is, if the restaurant industry and the gym industry, right, they're getting hit a lot harder than we are. So in the industry we're in, you guys are considered a essential service, right? So you guys can still operate, construction can still move forward. Obviously, there's precautions that have to be taken when you're going to customers' homes and you're doing the work. But now more than ever, people's houses are going to be flooding, kitchen fires are going to be coming, right? So we are fortunate to where you guys can still operate and still service, the customers, and, their house floods, basement floods, you guys can still take care of them, right? So, I think what like the saying goes, when there's crisis, there's always an opportunity. So, a lot of our clients are, using this opportunity to go full throttle and get a lot of work from this. I mean, I've already talked to a couple of clients past couple of days. I've already picked up a couple of fire jobs due to that reason, right? People are cooking a lot more in the home, so that's obviously leading to a lot more house fires. And the plumbing systems, right? People are taking more showers, flushing the toilet more, sinks, water heater, anything, all the systems that the plumbing lines run to in commercial buildings, restaurants, houses. Obviously, all buildings have plumbing systems, right? Especially in the homes, they're getting used more, right? So it's going to lead to more emergency water damage jobs. So again, that should lead to an increase in demand. And I mean, from a mold removal standpoint, talked to a client, yesterday, and he actually got a mold call because people were sitting around looking around like, hey, what's that spot on the wall? And they're like, man, that might be mold. And obviously now in times like this, people are more health conscious. They don't want to get sick. And so, people obviously are scared of mold for good reason, right? There's a lot of, health issues that can come along if mold gets too bad. So people don't, obviously they're worried about getting the coronavirus, but they're also worried about, the mold could lead to respiratory implications as well. So people are just wanting to get those looked at, which is good for you guys, right? Most of our clients and a lot of you guys do, the water, fire, mold, biohazard, trauma cleanups, all those relate to, the situation we're currently in. So what I recommend is, really think about the messaging you're putting out to your local community and to your prospects, right? You want to be the go-to expert in your local market. Let people know that, you've trained your staff, you're taking precautions, you're only going to send over the amount of technicians that actually need to be there. Some of these houses are vacant. Some of these jobs our clients are getting, they actually might be a rental property, right? Nobody will be there, so getting into the house might not even be an issue, right? So there's a lot of ways you guys can help out the community. But make sure you change your ad messaging too, right? To let people know that, hey, we're trained in this. We can sanitize, disinfect your stuff. If you have water damage, we can handle it. We have certified technicians. And, a couple other things that we're doing for our clients is you can put a banner. You can either put a pop-up window on your website or a banner at the top just saying, hey, concerned about COVID-19, click here for more details. And then you can let them know like your process on why they should trust you to come into your home, and that you can help them, right? So make sure, you update your website and your social media messaging accordingly. And then also, not all you guys will do this, but if things are slow right now, a lot of our clients too are going to help sanitize and disinfect businesses, manufacturing facilities, homes. I mean, that can be, it's a win-win though too, is the way we're looking at it with our clients. Is not only are they helping the public out by preventing the spread of the virus, it's also an additional revenue stream for them. Keep the guys busy, keep the trucks moving until we come out from this on the other side. So just make sure all your messaging out to your prospects and social media and all that is reflecting this. Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge. And we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.